The Tamaraw, or the Mindoro dwarf buffalo, is a critically endangered species endemic to the Philippines and found specifically in Mindoro Island.
Baka ho, pagdating ng panahon, kung hindi namin mapapangalagaan yan, baka ho, sa libro na lang natin makita sa kasaysayan.
But help is coming from one of the biggest automotive companies in the automotive sector. We're here at the Philippines Department of Environment and Natural Resources to witness Toyota Motor Philippines and its social and humanitarian arm, TMP Foundation, turn over a Toyota Tamaraw utility vehicle to the DENR's Tamaraw Conservation Program. Now, 24 hours later, we're on a roll-on, roll-off ferry crossing from Batangas Port to Abra de Ilog in Mindoro Occidental. To date, the TCP office has 18 registered rangers who will each receive a complete set of Bantay Tamaraw kits as part of this first tranche. In addition, the DENR Mimaropa Regional Office will also receive these kits, which consist of mountaineering gear, equipment, and tools.
It's about time na alagaan din natin yung nag-aalaga ng Tamaraw.
Itong aming donasyon na sasakyan at mga Bantay Tamaraw kits nawa po ay patulong para mas safe, mas ligtas, mas komportable kayo.
Are you a Tamaraw? No, I guess not. It's a regular cow. But wait, I think I see another Tamaraw nearby. It's the next generation Toyota Tamaraw.
The Philippine-made Tamaraw, this time designed by a Filipino.
Gusto ko ilagay yung pride ng Filipino by doing a design.
It's a very versatile platform. One, because of the price plus the toys.
Marami kang pwedeng ilagay. Swak na swak po. Kahit anong negosyo pwede po sa kanya.
This initiative is part of the Global Toyota Environmental Challenge 2050, wherein the global automotive giant is committed to establishing a society in harmony with nature.